What's up, human race? Welcome back to my channel. It's Micah J here, and so today we're unboxing a 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro.
Flexing on my exes in my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X.
The price is $17.99. This is a huge technology purchase for me. I've never bought anything like this for myself, so I'm low-key excited. But without further ado, let's just get right to this unboxing. About this laptop because you can do more on it. You can do iMovie, you can download Final Cut Pro. I love it. It's pretty light, pretty airy. It's not that heavy. Now I heard that the comparison between the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro is obviously the MacBook Air is more thinner and your hands rest better when you're typing, versus the MacBook Pro is a little bit more thicker. It turns on automatically when you open it up, which is amazing. It's aesthetically pleasing when you open Apple products. I don't know what it is, but it's just, I love the sounds and the smells. I don't know if I'm just a groupie or not, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It has a magic keyboard and has a fingerprint touch, which is right here, which is totally cool. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notifications for more tech videos.
Flexing on my exes in my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X.